This is a medium grain white rice from Nishiki, and this is a 10-pound bag. And I'm gonna cook this up in my rice cooker. So in a little bit, we're gonna open it up and we're gonna see how it turns out. Okay, so the rice is done. I made 1 cup. I doubled the water. And we got the finished product. Beautiful, delicious. I love rice. I eat white rice every single day. I love all kinds of rice. So, this is nice and sticky. It's gonna go great with my eggs. And there you go. I hope this helps, and I hope that you enjoy this as much as I do. Have a great day.